We can start drawing these little LED lights. So we can have, oops, we can have an LED light here. We can have an LED light here. We can have an LED light here. We have another one here and here, right? So now, if we were to smart dimension it, then we can click here and here, and we can say that we want it to be, say, if the total of this length is 6.4, then we could have it almost entirely at the center of it. But for guessing purposes, we'll say that it's about 9.4, so 0.94. That we will want that, right? And then we will take it based off of that, 0.94, right? Now realistically, we'd have to know